Hello, my friends. How are you? This is equivalent fraction 10-5. All along, we've been talking about how to compare fractions with like denominators, with unlike denominators, but like numerators. We were comparing them on a number line. Today is, I just want you to use your fraction strips to help you. Okay, this is going to be the easiest way for me to explain it. Okay, so remember when we had our fraction strips and I told you to fold it in half? Okay, and let's start with just comparing what 1/2 would be equivalent to. Okay, so I have 1/2. What's equal to it? Anything down here that has the same line where 1/2 is equal to it. So here we have 1/2 is equal to. Okay, it goes right through the middle of 2/3, so that's not equal. But it stops right here at 2/4. So 1, 2, 2/4 is equal to 1/2 because it's the same size fraction. This is the 1/2, and then we cut that in half, so this is the 1/2. Then 2/4, so we took a whole fraction and we broke it into fours, and 2/4 is 1/2. And if you think about it, what is half of 4? What's half of it? 2, right? So it's 2/4. So I'm going to follow, oops, I think I just broke that. I'm going to follow the line down, and it's in the middle of 3/5, so I know that's not equal to 1/2. But look at here, it stops at 6. Let's count how many. 1, 2, 3, 6 is equal to 1/2. And what is half of 6? 3. So that's all equivalent, means they have the same amount going across, just broken into different spots. Now, if I look again, I'm looking here at eighths, and there's a line at the eighths. 1, 2, 3, 4 eighths is also equal to 1/2. And what is half of 8? 4. I'm going to keep going. And look at, there's another line here for tenths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tenths is equal to 1/2. So all of these are equivalent fractions to 1/2. 1/2 equals 2/4. 1/2 equals 3/6. 1/2 equals 4/8. And then the last one down at the bottom here is, see how the line is there for the 12ths. We're going to count out over how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now we know that 1/2 is also equal to 6/12. And 6, what's half of 12? That's 6. Okay, so that's all you really have to do. And I just want you to use your fraction strips. And when you're doing your practice, it gives you the strips on the top. And then they just want you to fill out what the numerator is. So if you look, they want to know what's 1/4 equal to, and how many eighths. Okay, so then you count over 1, 2. So then you fill in the fraction up here, 2 eighths. So 1/4 is equal to 2 eighths. You can also go back to your fraction strip. Here's 1/4. How many eighths is it equal to? So I'm going to follow that line down. There's the eighths, 1, 2 eighths. So it's right there. Okay? All right, any questions, please make sure that your parents are reaching out to me. This should be okay for you to do. You have the practice, and you also have the reteaching page. And then I did throw in a little extra practice for comparing fractions. And this isn't the equivalent part, but it's just comparing fractions. So I just wanted to throw in a little review for you. And just color over, and it'll be easy to compare. You just color over to 2/3, color 5/6, which one's bigger, And then you'll be able to see which one's bigger. This shouldn't take you very long at all. Okay? All right. Have fun doing your math. Bye, guys. See you Thursday, hopefully.